Welcome back. Ang gagawin natin is how we can schedule yung post para kahit busy kayo, meron na nakasetup. Minsan kasi makakalimutan natin, okay, sa ganitong oras pala ako magpo-post, magpo-post pala ako ngayong araw, ay teka lang, sobrang busy ko, hindi ko na natandaan, nawala na. Alright? Ganito nyo siya i-schedule. Just for example, okay na to, naisusulat ko na, I would highly suggest, ulitin ko, i-rewrite nyo to. Although hindi nyo kailangan baguhin ng buo, siguro ilagay nyo lang yung personality nyo sa mismo copy na to. And then, ganito kayo mag-i-schedule. Right? Walang, okay. Kung nasa profile kayo, this is a page. So, pupunta lang kayo sa business suite ng Facebook. Meron kayo sa mobile app, download nyo yung mobile app na Meta Business Suite. Ganito siya. And from here, okay, ito, punta kayo sa page nyo kung meron kayong mga iba't ibang page. And then you go sa planner. Alright? Duda pa ako eh, no? So yes, okay. So ito yung content nyo. Okay? Ito yung content planner nyo, which is free lang naman to kay Facebook. So imagine, ganyan yung planner nyo. So punta lang kayo sa, yes, today by week. Masyado. Yan. For example, ngayon, nakasetup siya for the next weekend. So for example, mag-i-schedule ako ng schedule post. Right? Create post. Ayan. Pwede dito, pwede doon. Sa create post. Tapos, kukunin ko to. Okay, this is day one. Copy. Alright, nasa na ba? Post nyo dito. Paste. So, ayan. Lalagyan nyo siya ng space. Makikita nyo naman ng preview dito eh. Okay. Alright. Maliit na puhunan, flexible profit, o sure profit. Eh, flexible. Nawala yung F. Flex, flexible. Alright. Okay. So, yan. And then, you can add photo. Like for example, like this. Ay, hindi pala yan photo. Video pala yan. Okay, anyway. Nasa ba yung photo? Yan. Alright. Okay, yan. Okay. And then, just set date and time, schedule for tomorrow. Okay. 26. Sabihin natin, just imagine yung oras ng mga tao ng audience nyo. Usually, if weekdays, pagkagising natin, usually kape at phone ang hawak ng tao, right? So, most likely, bago sila pumasok, nagsi-cellphone yan. So, I would suggest either morning, lunchtime, or evening na, yung papatulog na, yung parang nasa bahay na, nagpapahinga na lang. Those are the time. Okay? So, you need to understand yung nature ng daily. Like sa inyo, anong oras ba kayo talagang active sa Facebook? Probably, you will have the same uh, time and schedule ng audience nyo. Alright? So, like for example, 7 o'clock. Yeah, okay? Usually, pagka nagko-commute, nasa jeep, or bago talagang mag-start sa work yan, nagpo-Facebook pa yan, nagkakape pa yan sa office, like yung 8 o'clock na trabaho, 8:30 ang start niyan. So, yeah, you can use this 7 o'clock in the morning, tapos click schedule. Alright? So, lalabas yan siya dyan. Alright? Okay, so ito na, 7. So, next day, Saturday, schedule post again. Alright? Tapos, kukunin natin tong day 2. Day 2, alright? I assume na na-tweak nyo na, hindi nyo kailangan edit ng buo. Just tweak. Put your own personality. Then, paste here, pang, ending pang, 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 team tahimik o team pabongga. Alright? Then, add photo again. Pwedeng wala, pwedeng meron. Depende sa inyo. But I suggest you get attention-grabbing picture. So, para same time, okay? So, alright? Anyway, walang picture. Okay. So, saka ako nalalagyan. Schedule. Alright. Alright, so meron na tayong days and then just go on. I-plot nyo lang yung 7 days and ang tatandaan nyo, okay, tatandaan nyo lang to you need to warm up yung audience nyo. You're supposed to warm up yung audience nyo bago ma-post. So kung hindi nyo magagawa yun, like for example, alas 7 ko ginawa. So 6:30, mag-warm up na ako, mag-i-engage na ako, magda-like, mag-reply ako sa comments, mag-i-engage ako sa mga friends ko. Those are the things that I have to do before the post. Pero kung hindi nyo kaya yung ganun, like for example, just from time to time mag-engage lang kayo. Like for example, free time nyo, because if you want to do this online business, there are things na kahit hindi nyo naman trip gawin, kailangan nyo gawin. Why? Because you have to interact with people. Because kung walang people, wala kayong customers. So learn to interact, even just parang yung normal na mga batang 90s, yung, uy, uy, kumusta? Uy, like, sometimes, you just have to read yung post nila. Okay, ganun pala. Uy, I like what you post. That's pretty awesome. Yung mga ganun, those are like, this is how you start genuine connection sa ibang tao. And probably, they might not be your customers right away, but they could be your customers in the future. Okay? So, just engage. I cannot just emphasize this because you're using Facebook. It's social networking. You have to engage. All right. So that's how you schedule yung post and see you on the next video.